Hello everybody, my name is Adam Eaton, and today we'll be talking about cleaning and repairing audio with Adobe Audition. Whether you've been producing professional level audio for a while now, or you are just getting started, this video will help you to remove unwanted sounds, reduce background noise and reverberation, and repair clipped audio. Without further ado, let's get to work. We will begin by removing unwanted frequencies using the Spectral Frequency Display. Open your audio file and switch to the Spectral Frequency Display. That's the colorful graph at the top left of our screen, next to our multi-track button. If you don't see it, you can toggle it on and off by pressing Shift and D on your keyboard. The horizontal axis shows time, the vertical axis shows frequency, and the color indicates intensity. Select the Paintbrush Selection Tool button or press P on your keyboard. Zoom in on the unwanted noise, which in this case is a telephone ringing in the background.
Please see this stuff firsthand.
Gently paint over it with the Paintbrush Selection tool. Next, hit the Delete button to remove the unwanted sound. Use the smaller paintbrush for precision and listen back to the audio to confirm the fix.
Please see this stuff firsthand.
Now let's talk about spot healing pops and clicks. Pops and clicks appear as quick vertical spikes in the waveform or spectral view.
And again, service.
We want to remove these because they lower the quality of our audio and can become a distraction for anyone listening. With your audio file open, toggle the Spectral Frequency Display and then select the Spot Healing Brush tool, which is located next to our Paintbrush Selection tool, or by pressing B on our keyboard. Locate your pops and clicks and paint directly across them. I have placed a few markers in my audio to help identify where the pops and clicks are most noticeable, but you will need to listen to your audio to find where they may be. After highlighting each pop and click with the Spot Healing brush, Audition automatically fills in the gap using nearby audio. Play the clip back, you should hear a smoother, more natural result with no harsh clicks or pops. Next, we will learn how to use the Denoise effect. You may find that your audio contains a persistent background noise.
One of the things
Like pops and clicks, this can be very distracting to your listeners. To remove steady background noise, select a section of your audio that has background noise but doesn't have any speaking. Then go to Effects, Noise Reduction, Restoration, Denoise. Play your clip and move the amount slider until you can no longer hear the background noise. You may want to enable the loop feature so you don't have to keep replaying your audio. Then click anywhere on your audio clip to deselect the highlighted portion and click Apply. Your waveform will not only look different, but you can also hear the difference.
One of the things that we also
In a few short clicks, you've instantly cleaned up your track. Let's try something a little more advanced. We are going to capture noise print and adjust the noise floor threshold to reduce unwanted noise. First, highlight a short section that contains only background noise. Go to Effects, Noise Reduction, Restoration, Capture Noise Print, or right-click and select Capture Noise Print. Next, open Noise Reduction. Adjust the Noise Reduction and Reduce by sliders to control how much is removed. The noise floor threshold defines what Audition treats as silence versus usable audio. We can see our threshold being adjusted as we move the noise reduction slider to the left or right. Preview your selected audio on a loop until you strike the right balance. Deselect your audio by clicking anywhere in your waveform, and then click Apply in your open dialog box.
make a commitment.
Your recording now sounds much cleaner. Now it's time to clean up some echoes with de-reverb.
And I think it does start at the top.
Reverberation occurs whenever sound is bounced off a surface and back into our microphones. This can create some cool effects in our audio, but it can also happen unintentionally. To reduce reverb, select a small portion of your audio and go to Effects, Noise Reduction, Restoration, De-reverb. Play the clip and slowly raise the amount slider to reduce the room echo.
Executives it's that networking piece, because
use processing focus to target the most reverberant frequencies. Mid and high ranges are usually where speech lives. Try to avoid overprocessing your audio. Moving your slider too far to the right can lead to your audio sounding dull. Once you are happy with how your audio sounds, deselect your audio clip and select Apply. I would like to talk about another method for eliminating an unwanted sound. This time, we will be using Audition's Sound Remover feature. With your audio clip open, toggle the Spectral Frequency Display. Locate the unwanted sound and highlight it. Remember, our sound is a telephone ringing. Next, go to Effects, Noise Reduction Restoration, Sound Remover. Click Learn Sound Model so Audition learns the exact sound pattern. Since I want to focus on the speaking portion of my audio, I'm going to select Enhance for Speech. Click inside of your waveform to apply the effect to the whole audio file. Audition will locate other noises that have similar sound models, fine-tune the settings, or repeat the steps if traces remain. Don't forget to preview your audio to make sure the distracting sound disappears while your main audio stays intact.
Really see this stuff.
We have reached the final tutorial for this video. Let's restore some dynamics in distorted audio.
Hiring military veteran. Hiring military veteran.
When audio is clipped, it looks flat on top and bottom with no natural peaks. To restore the clipped audio, select a distorted section. Then go to Effects, Diagnostics, Declipper. In the Diagnostics panel, click on Settings. Adjust the gain to specify how much gain you want applied to your audio before it is processed. I will adjust this slider to about -8 because the original audio was a bit too loud. Next, we will tweak the tolerance to control how aggressively clipping is detected. Our interpolation will help to rebuild the missing peaks. This is set to cubic by default, but I'm going to change it to FFT or Fast Fourier Transform, and then change the FFT size to 128. Make sure you click Scan after you've changed your settings, then click Repair All. The waveform should regain its natural shape and the clipping will disappear.
Hiring military veteran.
We've only scratched the surface, but these techniques should get you well on your way to producing high quality audio. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope to see you next time.